Ray Polo, Ramogi TV.
Thuologi rambun maseling seluf miadek ngato kangato katomenda maching maseling seluf praboro jiangwen maitudogi kuo mar nyathi matin e kathieth ma bungo marifaro. Laktar Joseph Wola, Irina Tieno, Robai Nanyawa kod Jocelyn Nahimicha ne owe thuolo kod jang'ad buche Charles Mutai bang' ne gidagi ketho manodonjnegi go e nyime. Jiangwen go osebedi ka ogeng'negi kuom thuolo ma juma achiel kaitudogi kod kuo ma nyathi Masichebet bang' kane onyuolo rude kar thieth no kabura no ibiro tum tarik 17 dwe ni ka iwinje tarik 6 dwe mar 6 higani.
So the accused persons were charged with offences, with offense that offences that are available. I will agree with the advocate for the accused persons, Mr. Watanga, that this is not a capital. This is not a capital offense. The accused persons have been in custody for around 1 week. Investigations must come to a definite end. So far, there is nothing to presented to this court which will suggest that the accused persons are a flight risk. In view of the foregoing, each accused person shall be free on their own bond of Kenya shillings 300,000 with surety. In the alternative, they shall be free on a cash bail of Kenya shillings 80,000 each. Hearing on the 6th of June this year, mentioned on the 17th of April.